So in this video I am going to share some amazing beauty and makeup hacks, and all are very easy to do. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Want volume to your lashes? I have a hack for you. Apply first coat of mascara, then dust some baby powder or translucent powder, and here I am using translucent powder. After that, apply second coat to cover the dustiness, and yeah, it will make your lashes look more voluminous. If you find difficult to contour your face, just draw E and 3 on each side of your face like this, and now blend it. This is very easy trick if you don't know how to contour. Does your mascara always smudge while applying like this? For face-free application, just fold the card above and below your lashes while applying so that any spillage get on the card. You can use spoon instead of card if you don't have any card. To make your lipstick matte and long lasting, first apply your favorite lipstick as you normally would. After, place a tissue paper on your lips and apply translucent powder over the tissue onto your lips. This way your lipstick looks matte and will stay long. If you have baby hair like me, then go for this trick. Use old mascara and wipe off mascara on wand and set your baby hair like this. Need to contour your face but don't have a fan brush? Simply pick any powder brush or blush brush and insert a bobby pin across it. And yeah, your fan brush is ready. If your bobby pin always fall out so easily, just hairspray some bobby pins and put them in place for a stronger hold. If your mascara is always clumping, then use this trick. Apply Vaseline a little to your lashes before putting on mascara, and yeah, that's it, you will be sure to avoid clumps. If you don't have any eyebrow product and want thick brows, first take mascara wand and wipe off excess product on a tissue paper, and then fill your eyebrows by moving the brush in upward and outward direction. By doing this hack, you can create the look of bold and thick brows. So guys, these are some simple and easy hacks. I hope this video will help you, and let me know if any of these hacks work for you. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and my Instagram handle is given below. You can follow me there for more updates. I will see you in the next video.